Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to find your Likee ID using your mobile device. If you ever want to share your profile, recover your account or connect with friends, you will need to find your Likee ID. So first of all, open up the Likee application on your mobile device and then from the home page click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile section, you will be able to see your ID at the top of the screen right underneath your name. Tap on the ID to copy it on your device's clipboard. Now you can easily share this ID or manually note it down in a piece of paper or somewhere safe. You can share this ID with friends so that they can find you easily on the Likee platform. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more easy tutorials. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.